Hi, I'm Brian Kemmis from MarineMax Fort Myers, and I'm standing on a 2017 L590 Sundancer that I have listed for sale. I'd like to walk you through the boat, if that's okay. She's got a white hull, blue canvas. Out here we have a hydraulic swing platform. In the cockpit, I've got an optional joystick for backing the boat into the slip from the cockpit. And here we've got our wet bar with electric barbecue grill, refrigerator, sink, and lots of counter space to prepare your meals. Real nice natural teak table. Ample seating under our electric sure shade. That gives us lots of shade out here in the cockpit. And then our cockpit sliding doors open and stacked to the port side of the boat behind the entertainment system in the salon. So it really opens up the boat to give you that outside feel when you're out on the water or tied up at the marina. And you've got lots of seating for friends and family. We've got the optional quarter walnut cabinetry and wood throughout the boat. And we step up into our raised dinette, so you've got lots of panoramic views when you're sitting, entertaining, eating dinner. And then on the port side of the boat, we've got a 2-burner Kenyan stove top, a double freezer drawer and double refrigerator drawer. Lots of counter space for prepping meals. Microwave convection oven. And then at the helm we've got 2 very nice comfortable Steed helm seats. And this boat is equipped with a triple 600 Cummins with Zeus Pods, joystick docking, sky hook, autopilot, and then we've got 2 GS165 electronic screen, chart plotter, radar, all your engine data, and this boat does have a cockpit camera, so you can watch out on the cockpit or use it as a backup camera when you're docking in the marina. And why don't you follow me down to the master stateroom? And the master on a 590 is like a suite. You've got a solid door so you can close yourself off from the rest of the boat. Full mirror for the ladies, nice sink area, window, lots of storage up here. And then in a separate room, we've got the electric vacuum flush head and a nice stand-up shower with lots of space. And the appointments are very nice, the tile work, the quarter walnut cabinetry. Then we step down into our master. So it's a full beam master, lots of natural lighting with the huge hull windows. The queen size bed is situated in the corner, so it gives you lots of space around the room. And then we've got a settee sofa over here on the port side. The ladies have a makeup center right here. And we've got a smart Samsung television, so you can get all those channels that you want, and a Bose Surround Sound. And then we've got hanging lockers and drawers, and this boat has an optional master stateroom refrigerator, so in the middle of the night you can get that bottle of water. let's go check out the VIP stateroom. On the way to the front of the boat to the VIP stateroom, this is our main distribution panel where we turn on our generator, lights, pumps, air conditioning, battery switches, ignition keys, all that's in one easy space. And in the forward VIP is just like another master. Lots of storage throughout. We've got storage around the whole top of the room, drawers underneath the bed, 2 nice big hanging lockers with mirrors on port and starboard. And then your VIP has a separate entrance to the shower in the head. We got a very nicely appointed sink, some storage above and below, and again, a shower that's comfortable and spacious that you can move around in. And each stateroom has their own air conditioning control, which is important. And in our third stateroom, come on in. Our third stateroom is 2 twins that does convert to a queen, and I'm 5'11", and you can see it's a nice sized room. Your guests will have lots of space and standing room. You've got lots of big hanging lockers, storage here, air conditioning control for the room, and then this boat is equipped with a separate washer and dryer. So if you have any questions about the boat or would like a personal viewing of the boat, I'm Brian Kemmis. The boat is moored here at our MarineMax Fort Myers Marina and easy to see. My cell phone number is 239-222-5907. Thank you.